How to start streak on Snapchat app. Let's get started. Maintaining a streak on Snapchat is a fun and engaging way to stay connected with friends. A streak begins once you and your friend exchange snaps for 3 consecutive days. The fire emoji will appear next to the friend's name, indicating a streak has started. The number next to the emoji shows how many days the streak has lasted. Pick a friend who is equally interested in maintaining a streak. Make sure they are consistent in replying daily. The hourglass emoji appears next to the streak when the 24-hour window is about to expire. When you see the hourglass, send a snap immediately to save the streak. Use reminders or alarms to ensure you send a snap daily. Coordinate with your friend to avoid missing a day. Keep it interesting to stay motivated. Use Bitmoji stickers, include doodles or text overlays. Share interesting or funny moments. Snap streaking is about consistency and connection. So, this is how you can start and maintain a streak on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.